How do you format code in Microsoft Visual Studio? So first you will need to open up your project in Visual Studio and then go to the Edit from the menu tab here. Now you want to scroll down to Advanced, and then you can either choose Format Document to format the entire document opened right now, or you can choose Format Selection to format only the selected part. I'm going to choose Format Document, and this should perform formatting for the whole file, doing indentations, spacing, braces, etc. There is also a shortcut for that, which is hold down left control and then press K, and you can then hold down control and press D. And for formatting the selected code only, you can select the code and then hold down control K and then hold down control and F. And that's pretty much it for this video. And one last thing, if you want to avoid the manual formatting, you can enable the auto format on save by going to Tools from the top menu here. And then you want to go to Options, which is this one at the end. Then you want to navigate to Text Editor, which is this one. Or if you want a quick access, you can simply type formatting here and then search for it. And make sure to enable adaptive formatting and set the method to automatic. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.